I saw MDM New People video from Lexus and Darkotech today. My people unboxing some smart bulbs that I bought on Amazon for only $16.99. I am using these bulbs for a small project that I have that will serve to improve security in my home. As you can see here, the brand is Extrastar. It costs $16.99 approximately weight, each compatible with 2-year compatible with Smart Live, with Alexa, Google, among other home automation management applications. This has 1000 lumens of capacity, approximately the equivalent of approximately 72 W of brightness. I say approximate because this is measured in traditional bulbs, so that is equivalent to 72 W in a traditional bulb, even if it is only 1000 lumens in an LED bulb, or 10 W in an LED bulb, or K. To configure these bulbs, we are going to need an application called Smart Life. Do you already know this application? If you are going to install home automation in your home, I recommend that you always use the same application. I added, you see in the previous videos, I added a motion detector to this application, and I'm going to use it to turn on these bulbs that are here. So the bulbs, as I told you, they're very cheap. They apparently come from Spain. And to set them up, it's super easy. Here we will see the process from beginning to end. The interesting thing is that this bulb is a classic E27 bulb, so it's going to fit into our normal socket of our bulbs in the house. So here we are going to turn on the light bulb, turn it on. Let's see what the behavior of the application is. I told him to add, but it wasn't necessary because he proposed it to me here, so I'm going to give him to add. Do I choose the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi that will be used for this bulb? I give it the next one, and there the information from our Wi-Fi will be loaded into the bulb for use. We wait about 30-40 seconds. There I enter the settings. I'm going to give it a gift, and there I can change the color. Our bulb also changes how bright I want the bulb to be. I can turn it off. I can also change its name if necessary. I'm going to call this one. I'm going to place it on the terrace. These are the different rooms that I have configured in my application, and here I am going to call it, I am not going to call it Faro Better, since I'm going to put 2 bulbs. This one will be Headlight 1. I'm going to confirm, and there I am perfectly with our bulb. Headlight 1. The important thing about these connected bulbs is that I can set them to turn on and off automatically in one specific hour, or how I am going to use them to turn on or off depending on what is happening with my detector. Movement. This has been all, my people, for this video. If you like it, like it. Share if you think it can be useful to someone else, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of this type. Until next time.